I am His Eminence Engineer Dr. Eberechukwu Oji, the Ezaro of Arochukwu Kingdom and the Publicity Secretary of the Southern Nigerian Traditional Rulers Council. Like the Ọọni said, the Southern Nigerian Traditional Ruler Council is a movement, is a journey comprising members from across the entire southern part of Nigeria. The Ọọni is our chairman. We have the co-chair, Obi of Ubunugu, from the southeast. We have King Jaja of Opopo, who is from the south-south. And we have eminent traditional rulers from across the southern parts of Nigeria who have come together to advance the cause of the Southern Nigerian Traditional Rulers Council. So let us put it on record and put it on record very clear. The president was part of the inauguration of the Southern Nigerian Traditional Rulers Council. It happened in Owerri, and we have representatives of both the press, the government, and stakeholders in that inauguration. Since that inauguration, the Southern Nigerian Traditional Rulers Council has been moving. We have had our AGM, which happened in Ogun State. We have had several activities together. So please, for the purposes of clearing any doubts, the Southern Nigerian Traditional Rulers Council exists. The Southern Nigerian Traditional Rulers Council is united with traditional rulers and royal fathers from across the entire southern Nigeria, all ably represented here. So please, let's put that record straight and correct that wrong impression. This is the first of its kind, and we want to extend our hearty congratulations to Mr. President for bringing us together, and we are really excited about this movement that has started. It can only be better and positive going forward. Thank you for this opportunity.
We are Nigerians. We are one people. God made us united in our diversity.
Your Excellency, very energetic, very kind-hearted, a very charismatic governor. I am very passionate about our history, our culture, and our tradition. And we all know the history from 1914 to 1960, when we got our independence, and in 1963, when we became a republic, over a century. There's never been traditional rulers coming together from the southeastern part to the southern south, all the way to southwestern part of this country. The three of us coming together to make Southern Nigerian Monarchs Forum. I have never seen it before. It is very important for us to know that we all have to start coming together. Senator Hope Uzodinma has made history for bringing all of us together in this maiden edition. We want to thank you. Because in unity, there is indeed a lot of strength.
His Royal Majesty Alade Nathan Ogunwusi, Ọọni of Ile-Ifẹ, Chairman, Southern Traditional Rulers Council, distinguished Senators, Your Royal Majesties. I have no doubt in my mind that you are the custodians of our culture, heritage, tradition. You are supposed to be our teachers. I want history to remember you, that it was during your time that Nigeria became better. The opportunity created by a decision to come together to be able to optimize the values of our culture, encourage those things that will unite us, is a very wise decision. As a very little boy, Ọọni of Ife, I grew up, whose names historically continue to resonate. So I want to thank you for coming to Imo State.